What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hopefully, you're all having a wonderful evening. It's December 21st, 2021, just after 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We're doing the recap a little bit late here, but I hope you guys are all starting off the week outright and on the right foot. Another day filled with opportunity in the markets as we are slowly approaching the holidays. So we have Friday, I believe the markets are closed, and then we have Christmas. So we got 2 days left of solid trading just before the holidays, and then next week we'll be heading into New Year's, the last trading days of 2021. We're going to talk about stocks that popped off today that offered opportunity. And before we jump into that, I want to remind you guys what I've decided to do. And this is an early Christmas present, New Year's present from me to you. Everybody now will have access to the Trading Learning 101 Discord group. I've decided going forward, I'm going to open up the Monday through Friday chat to everybody. Everybody. We're still going to do the ultimate pass where we do a pre-market prep, our classes, lessons, midday recaps. I'm looking forward to doing a lot more live streaming next year. So, ultimate pass members, don't worry. You guys will be getting more. Everybody else, you're now going to have access to the Monday chat, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So through the week during market hours, you will be able to see the stocks that I'm calling out, my watch list every morning. Stocks that are in play I'm looking at, what other members are looking at and talking about. So you guys will be able to see how the wolf pack works here, and we work together as a unit and a team. I'm really looking forward to that. If you're not a part of the Discord community already, down below in the video description, there should be a link to my Discord group. Click that link. It'll direct you to this server. First, what you're going to want to do is start at the start here at the very top. It's got 2 stars. Make your way down the sub channels here. Learn how this server operates and runs so you can easily navigate it. And I also have 2 tutorial videos for you guys as well, for you visual learners. You can watch these videos and quickly see how to navigate this server. Now that we got that out of the way, let's talk about the stocks that popped off today. After Monday, we had Sopa run up and go supernova, running from 450 all the way up to almost $14 a share. Amazing opportunity on Sopa Monday. Great way to kick out the holiday week. We put out a poll asking members, what do you think will happen with Sopa? Will it gap up the next day or will it gap down? Majority of people said it'll gap up. So they were right. Sopa technically did gap up. It gapped up a nice, $4 a share, hitting $15 just about. But then after that, when the market opened, it sold all the way down here to $10. You had one opportunity on Sopa today. From $10, it quickly got a run up all the way up here to $13. So that's a good $3 a share run right there in the morning. And the theme was this morning, and we've mentioned this in the chat today, you really had to be quick with the opportunity in the markets today. Real fast, because if you missed it, you weren't getting another shot. We also had a lot of stocks gapping up on the gap scanners that were getting people excited. So there was a lot of excitement across the board this morning, and we did see a lot of failed setups failed follow through, but I think things did turn around at the end of the day. Sure, there was really good opportunity out here. We had PTPI right out of the open this morning run up from 350 all the way up over 5 to 517. So that's a good $1.50, $1.75 run there on PTPI. And this was the only stock that I traded today, you guys. I traded PTPI. Here's my broker. My only trade today made just over $900. I'm completely satisfied and happy with that. What I try to teach members here in the community around me, our goal and job every day is to show up, patiently wait for opportunity, capitalize on it if you can, and secure the bag. You want to live to trade another day. I don't want to sit here all day and trade. That's exhausting. That's boring. I want to get out there and enjoy life. So if I can show up and make money within the first hour of the day, I'm good. I'm satisfied. I lock that in. So far, Monday and Tuesday, we're kicking off the week on the right foot. It was on Monday, I locked in $1,200, and now today, $900. We're 2 days into the week. I'm up $2,000. That's a really good start to the week. Let's keep it going. Keep it going. Protecting my profits as we get deeper into the week. It's all about your mindset as you get deeper into the week. Some people, they just continue going, trading aggressive through the whole week. My goal, what I try to do, start out early, nice and slow. Tuesday, Wednesday, build up a little bit of momentum. And then by Thursday, Friday, I'm slowing down and starting to protect my profits, all of my hard work from the past week. There's no worse feeling than showing up on a Friday and giving back all of your profits that you worked hard for the whole week. And then you got to go into a 2-day weekend, Saturday and Sunday, markets are not open. And then you're going to have that on your mind. That's not good. You don't want that. Also, paying yourself, rewarding yourself from all of your hard work. So usually at the beginning of every month, I try to withdraw from my broker, pay myself, reward myself for all of the hard work that I put in. Your brain likes to be rewarded. Remember that. All of the studying, showing up, waking up early every day, sitting in the market, patiently waiting for your setups. Pay yourself and reward your brain for all of that hard work, ladies and gentlemen. So with PTPI running up to just over 5, we got a pullback to 4, and then we got another round up to $5. So there was a few opportunities today on PTPI. Nice $1.50, $1.75 run there. And then you got a nice $1 bounce right there. AERC was another stock that popped off today. This morning, it opens up here at 11. Gets a pop up to almost 11.50. Trends down to about 10.20. And then in a blink of an eye, this stock just explodes to the upside, running all the way up to almost $14 a share. Boom, just like that, $4 to the upside. Like I just mentioned earlier, a lot of these moves, they happen really fast. And if you were not there to catch that move, you are going to probably end up chasing after it and taking an L. Because a lot of these did not have any follow through. They pulled back and then they would just fall apart. AERC pulls back down to 12 and then just consolidated the rest of the day. From 12 to 12.50, just back and forth the rest of the day. It looked like it tried to break down here and they saved it. And then it tried to break up here and just quickly got denied and went right back into a consolidation phase the rest of the day. We also had GRTX have a nice move today. This move this morning, about 375, it got a nice move to 450s and then consolidation the rest of the day. Go into power hour right here at 4, you got a nice explosion going into after hours up over, it almost hit $5.50. So that's a nice $1.50 rip right there on GRTX. BFRI was gapping up this morning. And if you guys been watching the recaps every day we do here, we've had BFRI on our watch list for 3 weeks, just about, because it just kept coming back and was in play. Or not 3 weeks, I'm sorry, like a week and a half. We had BFRI on watch. It just kept holding $8, $8, $8. And you could see that here on the 10-minute, how it was just lingering all around right here. All the way back at the beginning of December, BFRI was up in play moving, and you could just tell something was going on. So this morning, we wake up to BFRI gapping up, and right out of the open, just explodes over 10 and runs all the way up to almost $15. Just non-stop, right out of the open. Well, it messed around a bit and then up over 1050 just runs up to 1150 halt, reopens, runs up to 1350 halt. Then it reopens, snaps up to 1450 and then down to 1150. But this, it pretty much crumbled the rest of the day because it's just overcrowded. Very overcrowded. Everybody was piling into this after it made its run, because you got to put yourself in the perspective of what everybody else is thinking. When they see a move like this running from 950 all the way up to 15, they're like, dang, man, I missed out on a lot of opportunity. This stock ran up $5. I could have made my whole week in one trade. And then they get into that thinking of it can keep going. So let's go here. At the end of the day, we had LGVN. LGVN, if you guys are in the Discord, we've been talking about LGVN for some time and how some activity has been going on with it. And from $16 right at the very end of the day, nice explosion all the way up to $19, just running up $3 a share. Beautiful snap on LGVN. And once again, the theme, if you didn't catch it, you got left behind, because this thing snapped up and ripped so fast, it was gone. So going into tomorrow, most definitely, you know, people are going to have eyes on LGVN, because when they pull this up, they say, dang, this stock can rip. I'm going to keep eyes on it, because if it can do it there, it can do it again. So with LGVN, over 18 is going to be important for it tomorrow. If we get over 18, we can run to 20. And if we get over 20, watch out. We can run up to 25, 30. You think I'm playing with you? I've seen it. Always try to keep an open mind in the market. Traded PTPI, RAD, BFRI today, scored almost 10K trading on 1 minute chart only. I was in and out. That's what's up, Louis. Awesome job, my man. Epic. Pretty much I was done today by noon. I really wasn't trying to stick around. I had some errands to do, a little bit of Christmas shopping still to do. We're getting deeper in the week. We're going to lose a lot more volume, you guys. So the whole thing with the stock market, everybody, that's why they call it stock speculation. Everybody has an opinion about something. Nobody, once you start learning this, you guys, you'll start to not care what other people think. So going into 2022, stop looking on social media what other people are thinking what's going to happen with your stock or what's going to happen in the stock market. Start learning this. And once you learn this skill, you guys, this is a skill you will have for a lifetime. You won't care what other people think. All you'll care about is what you think, because what you think is what makes you money. AMC. Look at the hype train on AMC and how most of them got destroyed at the end of 2021. Everybody and their mother was talking about AMC, hold the line, buy more, buy more. This stock got destroyed from 75 all the way down to $20 a share. That's a huge loss. But AMC has been in play the last few days for, it offers a lot of really good day trading opportunities and swing trading opportunities with the liquidity. Every day this stock has, on average, 100 million in volume. I mean, just look at the daily chart. Look at all the volume. Literally every single day, around 50 to 100 million in volume a day. So people are just, a lot of money's flowing through this stock. AMC was probably the most popular stock this year. AMC, Tesla, and I would say GameStop. So with AMC finally getting over that 30 bucks, this morning in the pre-market prep, we said if it can hold over 30, the next stop it can run up to is 32. Sure enough, gets over 30, runs all the way up to 32 and gets denied hard. I mean super hard at 32. It didn't even hold above it, really. From 30s, runs all the way up to 32.23. And look at that death candle right there. All the way down to 31. And then it got drilled all the way back down to 30 bucks. So there's a lot of bag holders. Any type of pop you get on AMC, you're going to run into bag holders from people buying when it was at 40, 45, 50. I mean, you got to think they've been holding on to this for 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, and they're down so bad and we're at the end of the year. They don't want to go into a new year holding a bag. So everybody's going to start closing out and cutting their losers with high hopes of next year they can turn it around, and they want to start fresh. They don't want to start out a new year holding on to losers. Does that make sense? So with AMC, a good strategy to have with this is just play the basic range on it. Back and forth, back and forth. The stock loves to do a lot of range-bound type of plays. What else did we have pop off today? RELI was on the gap scanners. Like I said, there was a lot of stocks gapping up on the pre-market scanners and low float stocks. It had a lot of people excited because of what happened with SOPA on Monday. Whenever you have a supernova stock, it gets people excited. The FOMO meter goes full tilt. Let's take a look real quick. The FOMO meter right here. So a stock like SOPA pops off on Monday, runs up $10 a share. That's going to get people excited. They're going to miss out on that, and they're going to say, man, I missed out on that. The next day, the next stock that pops up, I'm jumping all over it because this market is hot. I don't want to miss out on the next big runner. So this morning we come in, we have, what do we have? We had like 8 stocks all gapping up this morning. So we jump into the pre-market prep and we say, hey, all these stocks are gapping up. People are excited. SOPA popped off yesterday. We got BFRI coming up. RELY is running pre-market. Chill out. Wait for your opportunity to come to you, because what's going to happen as soon as that bell rings, everybody's going to be chasing after these stocks, and they're just going to get wrecked. RELI, look at how this turned out. Opens up at 750s, gets drilled down to 6, and then just randomly explodes right back up to its highs at 8. Imagine everybody who chased this on the way up. They got fried. And now the stock closed at $5. So it was at $8 this morning, and now it's down $3 a share. Now everybody who chased after it and bought up here, they're bag holding and holding on to it, hoping that it comes back to $8. And bag holders, you guys, they can hold on to stocks for days, weeks, months. They can even hold on to them for years. Bag holders do not sell because they do not want to admit defeat. They do not want to cut their losers. They get emotionally attached to these stocks. Human nature never changes, you guys. It doesn't. That's why these cycles happen over and over and over and over and over again. And that's why the theme here at Trading Learning 101 is wolves. I'm Mr. Wolf. You have to be vicious in this game. Wolves are vicious animals. They attack. They feed off of the weak. They eat whatever they can. So you got to have that mindset. Cut your losers, move on to the next thing. Yeah, bag holders, they can hold on to stocks for a long time, you guys. A long time. Look at everybody on AMC. That's a perfect example right there. You're doing a great job, Wolfman. Keep educating traders. Keep up the good work. I appreciate that, Louie. I really do. Sure, we're going to see trolls and negative people come up, comment, and try to come in the Discord. Doesn't faze me really at all because I do not care what they think. I don't. My goal is to show up, be in a positive mood, get that money, and show other people what it is that I do. Cheer them up. I want to surround myself with greatness. So people who come in here and even enter the Discord, I'm gonna rub off on you. I'm gonna motivate you to get your work done, study. How badly do you want this? Remember, 90% of people fail in this game. And I've seen it. This last year, you know how many people came into this and quit? A lot. And only a handful of people stuck around. So my first year as being a teacher, trying to teach people to do this, I've seen a lot of people leave and fail. And that was discouraging to see. And it made me realize, like, man, it's really true. Everybody is not going to get this. And it made me think and realize people are not going to have the same work ethic as me. They're not going to work as hard as me. They're not going to show up every single day like I do. They're not going to sit here and put in 3 to 5 hours every single day looking at charts. They're not going to read a book every week or every month. They just don't do so much because they just want to make excuses. So my new motto going into next year is we are the 10%. And you know who you are. We have that mindset, live to trade another day. Do not let one stock take you out. It's going on now. I've been doing this for 7 years, and I'm still showing up every single day, and I have no plans of ending anytime soon. I still plan on showing up a year from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, 20 years from now. Heck, 20 years from now, I'll probably have over 50,000 videos on YouTube. And I beat out everybody else. I'm going to keep showing up every day, educating and pushing people the best that I can. I want to surround myself with greatness. So if that's something you want to be a part of, join the Trading Learning 101 Discord group, you guys. We don't fuck around here. And I mean that sincerely. I try to teach good practices every single day. Ask the members. They get tired of me repeating over and over and over and over and over again. Lock in those profits. Be safe, you guys. Remember, the stock is overtraded. There's all kinds of people just throwing money in the stock market and they don't know what they're doing. All you gotta do is outsmart them. There's a lot of stupid money in the stock market, you guys. A lot of it. Not everybody is going to be able to do this. I've made videos saying that not everybody's going to be able to do this. All the stock market is, you guys, it's a big mental game. If you don't want to continuously grow and learn more about yourself, you will simply not make it in this. Because what it comes down to is you have to develop strategies that are based around the type of person you are. And all of us are different. All of us. All of us are different. We all see the world differently. That's why so many people fail. And when you think about it, everybody's taught to look for chart patterns. Triangles, U-shapes, heads and shoulders, wedges. They're easy patterns. Easy patterns. And this is something we've talked about a lot. Everybody's taught to look out for triangles, U-shapes, easy patterns. Look, you got a U-shape here on AMC. Right there. But still, people consistently lose money. Why? That's going to wrap it up for this recap, guys. It's getting late in the evening. I'm going to relax the rest of the night. We still got 2 solid days of trading left in the stock market. You guys, I'll see you guys all in the chat in the morning. Once again, if you're just tuning in, going forward and into the new year, we'll be opening the chat to everybody. So you guys will be able to participate in the Monday through Friday chat. It's a little gift from me to you. As I always say at the end of my videos, you guys, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Go after what you want. Don't focus and care what other people say on social media. They hate us because they ain't us, is what I like to say. How badly do you want it?